word will be values. Values will be your word, which is a noun. Wants, principles, and standards and behavior. For you, finalist number 3, what is values?
Maraming salamat po. Ang values po ay isang katangian ng tao na kung saan ay dapat tinatagay natin na good values. Na dapat ay mag-focus tayo na maging marespeto, mapagmahal, at unang-una ay maging masipag. Dahil ay niwala ko, ang taong masipag matyaga ay may katimpala sa buong lumikha. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3. Before I answer for the remaining finalists, please wait for my call. I will be sharing the words. Your time starts now before you answer. And time countdown will be flashed as well on our big screens here in the park. Okay? Let's now move on for the next finalist. Finalist number 4. Good luck, finalist number 4. Your word will be empowerment. Empowerment is a noun that is a state of being empowered to do something. Your time starts now.
Empowerment is something that we see in pageantry. We see empowerment not only with the males and females, but also people of different diversity in our LGBTQ community. And I believe that pageantry is one of the best ways to show empowerment because we can be role models for others who are seeking to look up to someone who can also be empowered. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Finalist number 4. May we now call on? Here in front, finalist number 8. Okay. So good luck, finalist 8. Please pick your word. Your word will be character, a noun. Distinctive traits of an individual which features that make up and distinguish an individual. Your time starts now.
Character. I believe that the most important character that we should have is being honest. And I believe honesty is the foundation of true excellence. Because through honesty, we build trust, we foster genuine connections, and we embrace transparency. Totoo nga ang kasabihan na honesty is the best policy. Pagkat sa pagiging tapat, ang tunay na tagumpay ay nagsisimula. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Finalist number 8. Please step forward. It's your turn. Finalist number 9. Please pick a paper. Your word will be okay, finalist number 9, your word will be freedom. Freedom is a noun which states that it is the quality of state of being free. Your time starts now.
In life, every choice that we do, we have the freedom to do whatever what we want to do. I believe that freedom is the most important thing or aspect that we have, because freedom is something that we should be focused on, because everyone deserves freedom, no matter who they are, where they came from, and what social fixtures they belong. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Finalist number 9. Last two, please step forward. Finalist number 10. Please pick your word. Finalist number 10, your word will be privilege. Privilege is also a noun which states that it is a right, advantage, and immunity granted to a person. Your time starts now.
I believe that every person is born with a privilege, and that is what we call life. Life is what stems from nurturing and fostering one another, and it is what makes the world go round. And I believe that with life, everybody deserves to live. Everybody deserves to live to the best of his ability or her ability, or any of your demographic, and to become a privileged son of God. Because I believe that privilege not only exists in some people who were born in such hierarchy, but also born in all of us.
Thank you so much. Finalist number 10. And last, for our male top 6, finalist number 12. Finalist number 12, you may now pick your word. Your word will be intellect, also a noun, which states the power of knowing or capacity of knowledge. For you, what is intellect? Your time starts now.
Para po sa akin, ang intellect ko ay para rin po siyang pribilehiyo ng isang tao. Lahat tayo may sari-sariling karapatan, malaya tayo, like freedom, malaya tayo kung anong gusto natin piliin, kung girl ba tayo o boy. Lahat po tayo may sariling karapatan at pribilehiyo. Yun lang po, thank you.
Thank you so much, finalist number 12. And that concludes our top 6 male category. Let's give